In today's video, I'm finna to teach you how to preview and publish your Squarespace website. If you're finishing up your site and want to see how it looks before making it live, Squarespace makes that process very straightforward. We'll quickly preview the site, return to the main dashboard, and then publish it so visitors can access it publicly. To begin, look to the top right corner of your Squarespace screen and click the preview icon. This opens a live preview of your website so you can check the layout, navigation, and overall appearance from a visitor's perspective. This is a helpful step because it lets you catch anything that may need a final update before publishing, such as spacing, text alignment, or missing content. Once you've finished reviewing the preview, click Exit. This takes you out of preview mode and brings you back into the editing area, where you can continue navigating through your site settings. From there, click Website. This will bring you into the main website management area where you can access your pages, design settings, and publishing options. If you're new to Squarespace, this section is essentially your control center for the site. Next, click Home. This returns you to the main dashboard area for your site. Going back to Home is useful because that's where Squarespace places important site-wide actions, including the option to publish your website. Now, click Publish Your Site. This is the point where Squarespace prepares your website to become accessible to the public. Before you confirm anything, it's always a good idea to make sure your homepage is ready, your navigation is organized, and any placeholder content has been removed. Even though this process is quick, taking a final moment to review can save you from having to make immediate corrections after launch. Finally, click Public. Choosing this option changes your site availability so anyone with your web address can visit your website. In other words, this is the setting that officially makes your site live. And that's it. You've now previewed your Squarespace website, exited back to the dashboard, navigated to the website settings, and published your site by setting it to public. If you're launching for the first time, remember that you can still continue making edits after publishing. Squarespace allows you to update content anytime, so going live doesn't mean everything is locked in forever. It simply means your website is now available for the world to see.